Did you know that app developers and phone manufacturers have access to all of your phone messages, emails, and notifications? App developers are able to view and read SMS messages, WhatsApp, Viber, Messenger messages, and emails on your Android phone. The reason is that many apps on your phone have direct access to messages. When personal data such as bank information or ID detail is included in our messages, there's a problem that arises. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of changing the settings on your Android phone. Only you have the ability to read your messages on your phone. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Let's get started so that we can find the settings on your phone. There are two Android phones will be used to display these settings in this video. Samsung's Galaxy A15 and Samsung S24 are the model is shown here. Let's start using the Samsung A15 phone first. Navigate to the primary setting and then click on the search icon on the right. Then type Special Access. Locate Notification Access in the Special Access menu and open it. Same steps to do in S24 as well. Just go to Settings and search for Special Access. Then locate Notification Access. Open it. Now there's a list of apps that have been granted notification by the phone will be displayed to you. This means they can read all our SMS messages and emails. The phone itself alerts us about this. For instance, if I want to grant permission for an application, I will receive a message from my phone also. You have the option to turn off everything except for Android Auto, because if you are driving and connect your phone to the car, it needs notification access to inform you about new messages. It is important to pay attention to apps you install yourself, as not all are trustworthy. If you are not confident about whether an app should have this permission, do a Google search to learn about its function and it's important for notifications. It is not a big deal if you turn off all notification. If an application needs this access, it will ask you to enable it later, and you will have to decide if you want to grant permission for notification or not. I hope this video will be more helpful in keeping your phone data safe. I appreciate you taking the time to watch.